Quite like the format of the Unconference. I thought it was, it actually tended to, I think, nurture a little bit of creativity. So I quite like that approach. I think it worked well on the day there.
I think trying different formats is really important, and involving people in an unconference and getting people to set their own agenda, I think, is really important.
What we've actually done, we've tried to, along with I'm sure colleagues across Wales, tried to change some of the dynamics of the PSB meetings for a start off. So there's much more discussion space as part of that, but also we're trying to get a little bit of the real world into that discussion with them.
Maybe people need confidence in adopting, you know, and being let loose, and so it takes a bit of time to bed in. But it's the sort of thing we've done quite a lot of in the arts. And again, there's a role, I think, to involve the creative sector, perhaps in helping us do things differently in the future. I
haven't gone and done an unconference with the PSB, but actually some of the ways that we're looking to change things around and shake things up, it's been helpful that we can then, you know, take some of that learning back in that work we're doing with them. So it's ongoing. That is, it's still happening. But actually, I think I can quite confidently say I feel that there's, you know, there's some definite shift from the old LSB world.